All right, good Friday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We're taking a look at the wind forecast for today, generally out of the west northwest this morning, about 5 to 10. As we get into the afternoon here, we'll switch the wind around to the south southwest, about 5 to 15. So really not going to see a lot of wind here today. But those high temperatures generally in the 50s across most areas. We'll see some upper 40s here, middle upper 40s from north central and into northeast Iowa here. There's going to be a very small corridor there. Otherwise, 50s across most areas. And as we get into later on tonight here, we'll get into the upper 30s to the north, lower to mid 40s from central to southern Iowa. And then by later on over the weekend, we're going to watch for our next storm system, which I think will start off as some scattered rain showers developing here. Or I would say around late Saturday morning through the afternoon across north to central Iowa here. I think we need to work out some kinks in the data here. But then as we get into the afternoon here, we'll increase the rain showers from north to central Iowa here. I think we see widespread showers here for a good portion of the state through Saturday afternoon. And then by Saturday night here, late Saturday night, I think we're starting to decrease the precipitation. And then as we get into Sunday morning here, this is going to be right around 5, 6 a.m. Sunday morning as we start increasing the snow potential here. And like I was kind of saying before, I do think we will see a break in the action here in between the first wave and the second wave here. So as we get in through Sunday, this is going to be about 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon here. May have between the rain and snow, we may have a little bit of some sleet mixing in here, and we'll have to maybe watch for just a very brief window of a little bit of freezing rain. But I think for the most part, it's going to be a rain, sleet, snow type of system here. So as we get through Sunday afternoon here, it just continues to snow across the northwestern part of the state. Keep in mind, ground is fairly warm, so a lot of this is going to melt. As we get into Sunday night and into early Monday morning here, this is by about 1 a.m. on Monday. You can still see a little bit of snow lingering back here into northwest Iowa. Otherwise, central, northeastern Iowa, you're getting in on that snow here through probably Monday morning. Northeast Iowa, you're still getting in on that snow here as you're probably going to be waking up here Monday morning. And then by noon on Monday, that's finally when this will clear out of here. So as that snow does begin to move in on Sunday, we're going to have a strong northeasterly wind here. And we're talking gusts here, 30 to 50 miles per hour. We'll just simply say that because I think there can be some gusts near 50 miles per hour here Sunday afternoon. As that snow is falling, guys, you can already imagine that we are going to have problems with that visibility. So during snowfall, visibility could definitely be reduced there. Now, early look at snowfall accumulation here. This is mainly going to be on grass and elevated surfaces. I can't stress that enough. It will not be on pavement. This is not pavement impacts. So as we look at the total potential here, the northwestern half of the state here is likely where we're going to see that primary snow accumulation of generally 2 to 5 inches of snow over the course of Sunday. So kind of continue to watch that. We'll keep you updated there. As we look at total precipitation over the next 7 days here, you can see in the northwestern part of the state here, 1/4 to a half. And then as you get into central and eastern Iowa here, we're talking a 1/2 inch to an inch of precipitation over the next 7 days. We look at our high temperatures on Saturday, pretty much the last warm day until late next week here. Looking at 50s across most areas, 60s back here into southwest Iowa. And then by Sunday here, cold front comes on through. We switch that rain over to snow and temperatures begin to fall. We'll see 30s across the northwestern part of the state. And like I said, temperatures will continue to fall throughout the day on Sunday as that rain begins to change over to snow. As we get into Monday here, generally 30s, lower 40s across the state. Similar deal on Tuesday. Warming temperatures up a little bit more across our southern counties. Wednesday, again, just a little bit more of a warm-up. Upper 30s, lower to mid 40s. And then by Thursday, here we go with mainly 40s on the board. And then by Friday, that's when I think we can finally start bringing back into 50s. So take advantage of today. And obviously there's going to be some rain around tomorrow, but temperatures will be much warmer here today and tomorrow than they will be here next week. So, and then as we get into next weekend, that's a ways out there, but looking fairly decent at the moment here. So that's all I have for today. Sunday, we start cooling temperatures down, and then much of next week, generally seeing 30s, trying to warm up into the 40s by the middle part of next week, and possibly seeing some 50s by the end of next week. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.